Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video I am sharing with you what is inside of this month's Boss and Bay box. Now, in case you are not familiar, this is a monthly subscription box that is melanin friendly. So if you are looking for a box to get, I strongly urge you to check this one out. I always talk about them every time I do a video and how awesome I think their box is, specifically because it is melanin friendly, but also because they like to help out small businesses. So I'm gonna quit running my mouth. I'm gonna get this pretty packaging off. I love the pink plastic with the gold roses on it. So let's get this open and see what's in it. I also forgot to mention that if you are interested in getting this box, make sure you check down below in the description box, because I do have a discount code that you are able to use for your first box to get a percentage off. So that'll help you out if you just want to try it out. But this is what it looks like. It is the black and white and it says Boss and Bay. And I'm super excited because I've been very pleased with the boxes that I've gotten in the past. So just like any other subscription company, you do get a subscription card, or a little card in here, I should say a postcard. And on this side it shows you what's in the box, and as you can see, I'm not really trying to look at it because I like to be surprised. Then you get your paper with your little pink heart on it, and let's get this open. Okay, ooh. I saw something already that is like, woo. Okay, so I'm gonna wait for that, but this is the first thing that I pulled out, and it's my beauty tool, and it looks like this, and it has Japanese writing on it, which is super cute. It reminds me of like when I go to Daiso. But this is Etude House, I believe, and it is a hairband. It's a hairband. So I'm gonna get this open. I want to look at it. Okay, so I got it open. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Look at that. So it has the little band on the back, and look at that, it has the little ears. That is so cute. So if you're doing your makeup, or you know, you just want to pull your hair back, you can use this little band with the little cat ears on it. I think that is adorable. Oh, this makes, I think I have like 3 different ones sort of like this. And yeah, I like these things. So this is one of the items in the box. Ooh, the next thing is a Changing Magic Foot Peeling Shoe. Okay, so I think it's just basically like a foot mask, but that's what it says. Changing Peeling Shoe. They're calling it a peeling shoe. So I can't read it. Oh, this is Tony Moly. I didn't even see that at the bottom. Tony Moly is by far one of my favorite, you know, products. I mean, or brand that is, I want to say, is it Japanese? Japanese, I don't want to say Vietnamese. I think it's Japanese. He's Japanese. If I'm wrong, don't prosecute me. But I love Tony Moly products. And so this is basically just a foot mask. So you're going to take the little sleeves out after you clean your feet, put them on, leave them on for a while, and when you take them off, it is going to help your foot or your feet to be moisturized and, you know, get rid of the dry skin and all of that dead skin and stuff like that. So this is in there as well. The next item that I'm pulling out is these beautiful brushes. This is what I saw when I was like, ooh, okay. The turquoise, oh my goodness, these are so pretty. And they have the turquoise and the purple tops like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 brushes. So this is what it looks like. Super pretty. Look at the brush or the handle, and then look at the top of it like that. And on the side I noticed that it said Emily Alexandra Cosmetics. So I'm not familiar with that brand, but that is what it says. And oh my goodness, this is so soft. Oh, and I just love the color. The next thing that I pulled out is by Puckered, and it says it's a lip gloss. It says Puckered Cosmetics Beauty with a statement, and it's Galactic Gloss. This is the color Euphoric, and that is what it looks like. Really pretty. I've never had anything by this brand, so I can't wait to try this out. And then I pulled out this, and it's Chantilly Cosmetics, and it says Honey Bunches. It says Glow Dust. So it is a highlighter, some kind of a highlighter. And it does have the top on it, so I'm not going to open it, but it's just a really pretty gold dust that looks like that. That's really nice. And it says Honey Bunches. That sounds so cute. It makes me think of Honey Bunches and Oats cereal. So that was in here, as well as this product. It says Beauty People Flash Fix Pearl Pigment Packed. What is this? Okay, and the color is Romantic Light. So let's see what this is. Oh wow, okay, so I got this open, and this looks like this. Look at how pretty that is. Look at that color. So it is in let me see, it is in Korea. It says made in Korea. Flash Fix Pearl Pigment Packed. It's really pretty. I love that color, and it's by a company called Beauty People. I also received a sample of some Secret, S-E-A, it's like C and then secret put together. Minerals from the Dead Sea Ocean Mist Salt and Oil Scrub. I love scrubs, so I can't wait to try this out. And last but not least, I got this little gadget right here, which is a key ring, and I just opened it, and I believe this is one of those things where you can, I think that's what it is. I think you keep it on your keys, and then when you go out, let me see, let me try to open this. When you go out, you can hook this to a table. I think you hook it to the table, and then your purse sits on here so your purse doesn't touch the floor. I think that's what this is. Yeah, I know I had something like this before, but it's just made a little different, but I think that's what it is. But that is super cool because it comes on a key ring, and you are able to, you know, keep this with you, because we all go out to eat, we all go places, and when you do not want to put your purse on the floor, that is definitely where your purse does not belong. That is bad luck. So to have this is super cool, so that I don't never have to do that. So that is it for this month's Boss & Bae box. Like I said, if you want to check them out, if you're thinking about getting a box, any subscription box, and you're just not sure which one you want to get, but you want to try something out, make sure to check out the link below for my discount code. And that way you can get a percentage off of your first box. That way you can just try it out if you want. I'm sure you can cancel it without any problems. But I definitely love to give them a try first, basically because they are helping other small businesses. So thank you guys all for watching, and I will talk to you in my next video. Bye.